Welcome back. We will see news values in journalism prescribed by University of Madras for final year students, BA English. The topic is news values. News values are criteria that influence the selection and presentation of events as published news. These values help explain what makes something newsworthy. Initially labeled news factors, news values are widely credited to Johann Galtung and Mary Homburg Ruge. In their seminal 1965 study, Galtung and Ruge put forward a system of 12 factors describing events that together are used as defining newsworthiness. A variety of external and internal pressures influence journalistic decisions during the news-making process, which can sometimes lead to bias or unethical reporting. Many different factors have the potential to influence whether an event is first noticed by a news organization, second, whether a story will be written about that event, third, how that story is written, and fourth, whether this story will end up being published as news, and if so, where it is placed. Therefore, there is no end to list of news criteria. There are multiple competing lists of news values with considerable overlap but also disagreement as to what should be included in news. News values can relate to aspects of events and actors or to aspects of news gathering and processing. Values in news actors and events. First one is frequency. Events that occur suddenly and fit well with the news organization's schedule are more likely to be reported than those that occur gradually or at inconvenient times of day or night. Long-term trends are not likely to receive much coverage. Next, we will see timeliness. Events that have only just happened or current, ongoing, or about to happen are newsworthy. Familiarity. To do with people or places close to the target audience, others prefer the term proximity for this news value, which includes geographical and cultural proximity. Negativity. Bad news is more newsworthy than good news, sometimes described as the basic news value. Conversely, it has also been suggested that positivity is a news value in certain cases, such as sport news, science news, feel-good, tabloid stories. Conflict. Opposition of people or forces resulting in a dramatic effect. Events with conflict are often quite newsworthy, sometimes included in negativity rather than listed as a separate news value. Unexpectedness. Events that are out of the ordinary, unexpected or rare are more newsworthy than routine, unsurprising events. Unambiguity. Events whose implications are clear make for better copy than those that are open to more than one interpretation or where any understanding of the implications depends on first understanding the complex background in which the events take place. Next one is personalization. Events that can be portrayed as the actions of individuals will be more attractive than one in which there is no such human interest. Personalization is about whether an event can be contextualized in personal terms. Next is meaningfulness. This relates to the sense of identification the audience has with the topic. Cultural proximity is a factor here. Events concerned with people who speak the same language, look the same, and share the same preoccupations as the audience receive more coverage than those concerned with people who speak different languages, look different, and have different preoccupations. A related term is relevance. which is about the relevance of the event as regards the target reader, viewer's own lives or how close it is to their experiences. Impact refers more generally to an event's impact on the target audience or on others. An event with significant consequences is newsworthy. Eliteness. Events concerned with global powers receive more attention than those concerned with less influential nations. Events concerned with the rich, powerful, famous, and infamous get more coverage. Superlativeness. Events with a large scale or scope or with high intensity are newsworthy. Next is consonants. Events that fit with the media's expectations and preconception receive more coverage than those that defy them. That's the end. Thanks for watching this video. We meet again next time with another interesting